Welcome to the mesmerizing world of the illusion within. Have you ever questioned the reliability of your thoughts? Prepare to embark on a journey through the labyrinth of our minds, where the line between reality and illusion blurs. Perception, the kaleidoscope through which we view the world. But what if our perception, the very lens through which we experience reality, deceives us? Join me as we unravel the enigmatic veil that shrouds our senses, forever questioning the truth before our eyes. Within the depths of our minds reside shadows of bias, shape-shifting silhouettes that silently mold our thoughts. Confirmation bias, the magnetic pull towards information that affirms our existing beliefs. Watch as we explore the intricate dance between our biases and the truth that yearns to be revealed. Emotions, the vivid notes that compose the symphony of our lives. Yet, beneath their captivating melodies lies a truth untold. Emotions possess the power to orchestrate our thoughts, leading us astray from objectivity. Together, let us untangle the harmonies of our emotions and discover the symphony of reason within. Now, the moment arrives to lift the curtain and reveal the hidden illusions that dance before our eyes. Brace yourself as we unravel the complexities, defying what we believe to be true. Prepare for the unveiling of the illusions that hold sway over our minds. As our voyage nears its end, take a moment to awaken the observer within. Let the echoes of this journey resonate in your thoughts, empowering you to question, to seek truth amidst the illusions, embrace the power of introspection, and embark on a lifelong quest for clarity. Thank you for accompanying us on this extraordinary exploration through the illusion within. Embrace the wisdom gained and carry it into the fabric of your own reality. Remember, beyond the captivating illusions lies the untapped potential of a truly objective mind. Until we meet again on the shores of discovery.